Thinking about upgrading to an ultra-wide monitor for your home office? Let's dive into how to choose the best one in 2025. Step 1. Consider screen size. First, decide on the right screen size. Ultra-wide monitors come in different sizes, typically ranging from 29 to 49 inches. If you want more screen real estate without multiple monitors, go for something in the 34 to 38 inch range for optimal productivity. Step 2. Resolution and aspect ratio. Next, consider the resolution. Most ultra-wide monitors in 2025 offer a 1440p or 4K resolution. If you do creative work like photo editing, 4K is ideal for sharp, clear visuals. Also, check the aspect ratio. Look for monitors with a 21:9 or 32:9 ratio, as these provide better screen space for multitasking. Step 3. Refresh rate and response time. For smooth performance, especially if you game or watch videos, look at the refresh rate and response time. A higher refresh rate, 144 Hz or more, is great for gaming, while 75 Hz is fine for general productivity. Keep an eye on the response time. Lower is better for avoiding motion blur. Step 4. Connectivity. Check the connectivity options. Ideally, you want multiple HDMI and DisplayPort inputs, as well as USB-C for easy connection with laptops and other devices. Don't forget about built-in USB hubs if you need to plug in peripherals. Step 5. Ergonomics and design. Consider ergonomics. Choose a monitor with height adjustment, tilt, and swivel features for comfort during long hours of work. Also, make sure it fits well with your desk setup. Some monitors have a sleek, slim design to save space. Conclusion. That's how to choose the best ultra-wide monitor for your home office in 2025. Consider size, resolution, refresh rate, and design to find the perfect fit. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more tech tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.